Understanding cheap imitation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, cheap imitation. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your understanding of cultural nuances. So, let's dive in. Cheap imitation refers to something that is made to look like another thing but is of lower quality and less value. The word cheap here doesn't just mean low in price. It also implies inferior quality. Imitation means a copy or a replica. So, a cheap imitation is a copy that fails to match up to the original in terms of quality or authenticity. To understand cheap imitation better, let's look at some examples. 1. Fashion. A handbag that looks like a designer brand but is made of low-quality materials. 2. Technology. A phone that resembles a popular model but lacks its features and durability. 3. Art. A painting that tries to replicate a famous masterpiece but lacks the original's finesse. These examples show how cheap imitation is used in various contexts, highlighting the difference in quality and value compared to the original. Now, let's focus on how to use cheap imitation in sentences. I bought a watch online, but it turned out to be a cheap imitation of the brand I wanted. Many stores sell cheap imitations of luxury goods to attract customers who can't afford the real thing. He realized that the software was just a cheap imitation and lacked the features of the original. Understanding the phrase, cheap imitation, helps in recognizing the value and quality of things and in communicating more effectively in English. We hope this video has been insightful for you. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. See you in the next video.